Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa. Happy New Year. We're in January and today I have a unpackaging of a A6 leather cover that I got from Strideridge. I'm sorry, there's nothing in addition to it. Strideridge off of Etsy. And I'm going to open this up. Strideridge Leather Goods from Etsy, I'm sorry. I ordered this last year and it took some time. The seller was wonderful. I asked him for a specific color that he did not have on his site any longer showing, and he opened up a special SKU for me to get it. And so this is it. Let me just get rid of my invoicing receipt. And sorry about that. That's me just chucking it into the trash. Alrighty. Yeah, he was a really wonderful guy to work with. It took him a little bit of time, but I'm really looking forward to doing this. I'm trying to find alternatives to Shakespeare and Sojourner as far as alternate options. Oh, this is really pretty. So this is an A6 size cover, and the reason why I wanted to get it in leather is I've got this one. This is for my Hobonichi A6, and I like it, but I'm also kind of tired of this looping mechanism here to like get it to stay from flopping open. So I decided to get this one, and it's perfect. I've got card slots, I've got a nice pin cover, and I'm gonna just make sure that, as they say, Shakespeare taught me this though about loosening up any kind of glue that might be in here. I'm gonna go ahead and do this for all people who send me leather covers, just to loosen up any glue that might be stuck in there. This is called tan leather. He did not have this in his store at the time. Ooh, and it smells really good. So this is just a beautiful, simply made insert. And let me go ahead and swatch out my current Hobonichi A6 for this year with this one. Make sure I've got my bookmarks removed just to see how it fits. Like a glove. Perfect. And got my little weekly supplemental from Hobonichi. I will say about this, if anybody's thinking about getting this, I don't know if it's really worth it, just because, as you can see, it's not exactly the same size. For me, it's really, really tiny, and I think I would have been a lot happier if they could have made it just the same size as the A6 so it lines up nicely in the cover. Let me just do this like this and see what happens. And I've got a couple of insert, like little simple things here. So I've got two little Hobonichi stencils that I like to use, and they fit in nicely. Ah, this is beautiful. Let me zoom back out. Oops. Come back in here. I'm sure you guys don't want to see my belly and my shirt. But this is absolutely gorgeous. Given the fact that this is a small reseller out of Etsy, I would encourage you guys to actually utilize him. He's really good, very friendly. I will put the information in where I got this from down below, but this is just a really quick reveal of my new A6 leather cover from Strideridge Leather Goods out of Canada. All right, thank you very much for stopping by. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It'll help my channel. And if you have any comments, please put them below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Stay tuned. I do have my updated Hobonichi Mega Weeks coming in. I'm just waiting for that so that I can use that as a daily EDC cover for when I'm out and about and on the go. I've decided to downsize even from my B6 Slim just because of the size and the weight down to a week. So I'm going to be trying to utilize that this year instead of what I've been using. And I'll probably just do a Techo Kaigi kind of video coming up in the next week or so. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great one and take care. Stay safe. Bye.